Save is the most important feature on the page. It's done in the top right corner. You can see save over here. Select save, and there's also a drop down. You can save and set to draft, save and set pending, save and set private. I just stick to save, and the shortcut key is Control S, Command S. I will use that all the time, Control S, and then you see the spinning wheels with a check mark. Let's do it one more time. Control Command S, and your page has been saved. Let's talk about the preview. That is next. You have to preview on front end or enter preview mode. It's nice having the preview mode, but I never use it because it just doesn't give me responsive preview the way I would like to. And it's always better to view it actually on the front end, even in a different browser. Go ahead and exit preview. For preview on the front end, it took me a while to figure out what is the shortcut here because I didn't see the full stop, period. I didn't see that little dot there. That's a full stop. That is Control Shift full stop. Select preview on front end, opens a new tab within your browser, and we can preview our work here. A masterpiece in the making. Let's go to the back, close this one first. Let's practice that shortcut key, Control Shift. What is that? Control Shift is Command Shift, right? On a Mac, and a full stop. Control Shift full stop, and there we go. Another thing that you will notice with Divi 5, this speed. This builder is fast. Very nice working with this builder. We covered exit previously, but you do have these options to view the page. When you select this, you will exit within the builder to the front end. Now you are at the front end. Go back into the builder, go to the WordPress toolbar and select Edit with Divi. Then you have Edit Page, and this will take you into the WordPress editor. Most of the time, you really don't want to come here. Let's say save and edit with builder. I hope I didn't delete my work. I didn't. And then we have one more, exit to dashboard. And this gives us the WordPress dashboard. I like this. I wish this was the default because in most cases, when you exit a builder, you actually want to come here or maybe to the pages. We go to the front, select your page, and then select edit with Divi, and we're back in the builder. Now you know save, Control Command S, preview, Control Shift, Command Shift, full stop, and then exit. Well, you choose where you want to go for that and learn the shortcut key. In my case, it will be Control Shift D. Let's see if it works. Control Shift D, Command Shift D. My shortcut will not work for me because that is set to my video capturing software. There are two other things that I would like to have here in the panel just for visual reminders. And that is the undo redo, as well as there is a history feature within Divi. We don't see them, they're not active by default, but you can set them there. To the panel on the left, select Builder Settings. Expand this by grabbing this slider control here at the bottom, or what you can do is click and hold and drag it to the left, and now it becomes docked. Now when I close it and I open it, it stays docked. Go a little bit here to the middle, page bar icons, and that is the bar we see here at the top. Undo, redo. Note that the undo and redo show now. I like that. Here is history. I like the history as well. And then you have export and import, clear layout, and add to library. If you're playing around like I often do, this is a nice feature to have because it clears out the entire page. When you are working with sites where you are exporting and importing, this is very nice to have there all the time. We'll just stick to undo and redo so that you can see it as well as the history. You know undo and redo. Let's talk about what is the history. Now with it added to the bar, select it, and we can see here is the actions. We loaded the page a few minutes ago. Let's make a change here and see. I'll change this heading and I'll put it over on this side and I'll close the wireframe, save the page. Let's go to history and there you see, moved the heading. And why don't we see the previous actions? And this is connected to every time you enter the page. Once you exit the page, it will remove your actions. Observe, and I show you. We go to exit and select dashboard. Now we're back in WordPress dashboard. Go to the front end, select edit with Divi, go to history, loaded page, our recent time. Important to understand, the history is only per page, per session while you're in that page. Once you exit the page, you lose access to this. But this is a nice way. If you've been working on many things and you want to go back to a previous state, then you do that.